Imagine this. You go to a restaurant in another country,
You want to order food in English.
but you feel nervous.
You don't know what to say.
Do not worry.
Today, we will practice English at the restaurant.
Simple English for real life. Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today we learn English at the restaurant.
Listen, repeat, and speak with us.
You enter the restaurant.
Okay.
Hello, a table for one, please?
A table for one, please.
Or you can say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
The waiter says, please follow me.
Please follow me.
You sit down.
Good.
The waiter gives you the menu. Here is the menu.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Listeners repeat.
Here is the menu.
Now you look at the menu.
Many choices.
Yes. Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
The waiter says, I recommend the chicken.
I recommend the chicken.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Now you are ready to order.
Okay.
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
What would you like?
What would you like?
I would like chicken and rice.
I would like chicken and rice.
Very good. Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like water.
Yes, I would like water.
Or you can say, I would like juice.
I would like juice.
Listeners repeat.
I would like water.
Excellent. The waiter says, anything else?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
No, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now you wait for your food.
I am hungry.
Me too. The food arrives. Here is your food.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Listeners repeat.
Enjoy your meal.
Now you start eating.
It is delicious.
You can say, this is very good.
This is very good.
Or, the food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
Excellent. Now you want something more.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Listeners repeat.
Can I have some water?
Good. Now you finish eating.
I am full.
You want the bill. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
The waiter says, here is your bill.
Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How would you like to pay?
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
I will pay by card.
Or, I will pay in cash.
I will pay in cash.
Listeners repeat.
I will pay by card.
Excellent. Now you leave the restaurant.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
You too.
You too.
Now let's practice a full dialogue.
Okay.
Hello, a table for two, please.
Yes, please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
Thank you. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready.
What would you like?
I would like chicken and rice.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I would like water.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Here is your bill.
I will pay by card.
Thank you.
Excellent. Now let's review.
Review time.
A table for one, please.
A table for one, please.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I would like chicken.
I would like chicken.
Can I have water?
Can I have water?
Can I have the bill?
Can I have the bill?
Excellent work today.
You practiced restaurant English.
These sentences are very useful.
Practice them every day.
Comments below. What is your favorite food?
Thank you for listening.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Today we learned English at the restaurant.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.